Okay, who wants one of these? I'm gonna be unboxing a mystery box as usual. You guys know it, the beater boxes and the hype boxes. But instead of me keeping the items in one of these boxes, I'm gonna be giving away the items to you guys. That's right, it's gonna be a giveaway for a free Hypebeast mystery box. There we go. I'll let you guys vote between box 1 or box 2. You guys get to see the contents. So I guess technically when you guys open it, it won't be a mystery box anymore. But yeah, you guys can vote, get to see the contents, and then whatever box you guys want will be given away. So if you guys want to win one of these free hype boxes, go down in the description below, click on that gleam.io link. It will take you to a webpage where all you have to do is click these like +1s. It's like subscribe to the channel, follow on Instagram. Make sure you hit follow though, because I think the link is broken. So you have to actually click follow or else your entry doesn't count. Make sure that's important. And then I think the last one is following the Twitter. You do not need to do all 3 in order to get an entry. It's just it's +1 when you do more, you know. So that's how that's gonna go. Go to the description below. And at the end of the video, make sure you guys go to the comments below and vote for either box number 1 or box number 2. Whichever has the most votes will be chosen. Let's get into it. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Hawaii here, coming at you with another Hypebeast mystery box unboxing. This one is special though because I'm giving away the hype box to you guys. That's right, I'm giving the Untitled Hana a free Hypebeast mystery box. And all it is essentially just a big thank you to you guys for watching the channel, supporting what I do, and you know, just being like part of that family, part of that Ohana. Like I want to give back as much as I can because I mean, I wouldn't be here without you guys. If you guys are wondering where these boxes are from, it's actually from soulsteals.com. Soulsteals is a membership website where you pay $20 a month in order to buy like hype mystery sneakers. They have these Hypebeast mystery boxes. They have mystery tees, which I kind of want to check out. I haven't done mystery tees yet. And they also have like mystery pairs of sneakers on there as well. It's a really dope website. I've been using it for well over a year now. 100% legit. Highly recommend it. This video is not sponsored by Soul Steals. They never are. It's just I really love the company and I want to let you guys know about it because not too many people do. So you guys have an advantage over everybody that doesn't. Anyway, let's open up these boxes, guys. We'll start off with box number 1. These boxes are valued at $250 a pop. So it could have like Supreme, Bape. It could have, what else do they have? ASSC. I haven't seen that in a while, thank goodness. Let's open it up and see what we got. All right, so we got 4 items in this one. Remember, at the end of the video, you guys need to vote on which one you want. This is box number 1. I'll put like a number 1 or something over here. Be sure to watch the counter as well. I mean, this is the perceived competitive market value, but I'm not sure what the actual values will be. So first off, we have this Supreme Camp Cap, it looks like. This one is called Piping, and I guess it's that red colorway, Fall Winter 2018. Just a Supreme Cap. I can't actually use these things because these do not fit my head. Anyway, yeah, hopefully one of you guys can fit this. I don't know, even when I put it at the larger setting, it doesn't fit. F Supreme, make bigger hats. Second thing out of this box is a black shoulder bag, it looks like. You guys can see right here, this is also a fall winter 2018 shoulder bags. The shoulder bags usually go for always a good amount of money, especially at the end of the season. Once season's over, these things like explode in value. So this one will probably be a good boost to the counter over here. Use it as a reference when you guys are picking your box of what you guys want to win. Next out, this is an interesting one. Mike Kelly long sleeve tee, Birth Orange. I'm not going to open this out of the bag because I want you guys to have everything brand new, basically the exact same way that I'm opening it up right now. And I'm sure you guys would like it in the bag as well because you may not want to keep all of this. But if you guys want to see what it looks like unfolded and stuff, I'll put it on the screen over here. It looks like it's just like a monkey tee. I guess Mike Kelly is an artist. I'm not going to pretend like I know all of his work. Interesting shirt, Supreme. You guys know what it is. And lastly, we have a Bape tee in this box. This one I can open up because we can reseal it after. So you guys can see here, this is a shark tee. Has like a little bit of camo in it's like its mouth and stuff, and it is on a black tee. This one is also size large, important. Everything in these boxes will be size large, so hopefully you can fit that. If you guys can't though, I mean, you guys can always resell it. Once you guys have the box, I don't really care what you do with it. So that is box number 1, these 4 items right here. Let's check out what's in box number 2. This one is heavier, a lot heavier actually. Okay, I can see why it's heavier. So in this one, we also have another red camp cap. Obviously a different kind of like style though. This one is called the Napped Canvas Camp Cap. Has a tag on the bottom over here, brand new. Obviously I can't fit this one either. I'm not gonna put it in my head. I'm not even gonna try because I know every camp cap I have bought thinking, oh no, this one will work. It doesn't work. Next one out here, just like we were talking about, this one is an Antisocial Social Club tee. Antisocial Social Club ASSC. I'm not really big on it. It's a little bit harder to move because you can't sell it on StockX or things like that. But there's still value here, and a lot of people actually still like ASSC. Myself personally, I'm not a big fan of ASSC. I know they have like huge shipping issues and stuff, and just the company is run like really weird in my opinion. I don't really know. But yeah, this one is a Club 2 Pink Large. So yeah, this one I'll put up on the screen as well. I think it's literally a standard ASSC though. It has like the logo on the front. And then on the back, it has like those big anti-social social club. That's what this one will be. That's 2 items. We got 2 left. This one, okay. Ooh, Dover Street Market. Dang, this one's pretty nice. So this one, I guess, was sold at Dover Street Market in New York. It's called the Supreme Fiorenza tee. I guess that's a place in Europe somewhere. Fiorenza. I hope I'm saying that right. But it is a nice Supreme tee. You guys see over here, big logo. But it has like the scenic background of what looks to be like a European city, I would assume. And yeah, just a standard shirt, but I actually really like this one. So yeah, don't pick box number 2 because then I can keep this for myself. You guys can pick it if you want, I don't care. Lastly, in here, the reason why the box is heavier than the other box is because we have a hoodie. This is a Supreme Lacoste hoodie, so I'm assuming this is like the money item of the box. And that's it, really? There's nothing on the back. It's literally just a Supreme Lacoste like emblem on the front over here. And yeah, other than that, I mean, it's just a standard hoodie. Really interesting. Also has like this random zipper over here. What is this to hide, guys? I don't understand what this is for. If you guys know what the zipper is for, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, Supreme Lacoste hoodie. This is box number 2, Supreme Lacoste hoodie, Suprema shirt, red camp cap, and a pink ASSC shirt. So those are you guys' 2 choices. What box would I pick personally? Honestly, I feel like that second box has more value. I wasn't sure on the counters though. And you guys don't need to go based off of purely a value. If you guys see a box that you like, vote for it. Make sure you guys go to the comments below though and vote for Hypebox 1 or Hypebox 2. And more importantly than commenting down below, you guys need to go to the description and click on gleam.io. Click on that link. Hit those +1s because that's the way it will be drawn. So if you guys don't enter there, I can't pick you guys. And again, you don't need to do all 3. I hear this in the comments like every giveaway is like, I don't have a Twitter, I don't have an Instagram, so I can't enter. That's not fair. Dude, if you're watching it on YouTube right now, you have a YouTube account. So all you need to do is be sure to click on that +1 to subscribe to the channel and you're good to go. Be sure to like this video, comment down below what Hypebox you want, and I will be doing more of these. So good luck. This giveaway will be run for about a week or so. Let me know what you guys want. And again, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed. Take care, guys. I will see you. Aloha. Shoots.